the Electoral Act 2022 between Mago Francis and Independent National Electoral Commission, Akafo Region, National Action Party. My love, parties are present. Appearance. May it please the court, I am Amazu, Esquire. My humble appearance is for the petitioner. As the court pleases, I am Okolamrachi, Esquire. My humble appearance is for the respondent. Counsel, where do we stand? My lord, this is the petitioner's final written address, dated on 28th day of March 2024, by the petitioner's final written address. The petition urges this honorable tribunal to grant this prayer of the petitioners as contained in the first petitioners as the winner of the election for the office of the member of the House of Representatives for the Petitioner Federal Constituency of Imo State, having scored the majority vote cast on 30th February 2024. My lord, the petitioners put forward the following issues for examination. 1. Whether the petitioners are competent in law. 2. Whether the petitioners listed the documents they are relied upon the petition. 3. Whether the petitioners comply substantially with the Electoral Act 2022, its manual, guidelines and regulations. 4. Whether the petitioners can prove their petition. 5. Whether the petitioners are entitled to the relief sought. My lord, I will further advocate. Counsel to the respondent. My lord, the second respondent has also filed a final written address dated on 30th day of March 2024 by the second respondent's final written address. The petition filed by the petitioners is vehemently opposed, and this honorable tribunal is up to dismissal with substantial cause. My lord, the respondent put forward two issues for termination. 1. Considering the fundamental and jurisdictional objection raised by the respondent against the petition, whether the honorable tribunal ought not to dismiss this petition for being incompetent. 2. Considering the state of pleading of the petition and the text evidence, both documentary and oral, whether the petitioners have not failed in their responsibilities to discharge the burden of proof placed on them by the law. May it please the court. Counsel to the petitioners, what are your arguments of issue? My lord, on whether the petitioners are competent in law. The petitioners state that the petition complies substantially with the provisions of the Electoral Act, paragraph 4, sub 2A of the first schedule, as the petitioners clearly spelled out the relief sought in this honorable tribunal is devoid of any ambiguity or element of contradiction, as pointed by the respondent. Hence, it cannot be said to be incompetent. The relief sought by the petitioners in the petition are all valid, competent and granted by this honorable tribunal. See Emeka Ifeanyi, was Government of Abia State, 2014, in the Nigeria Weekly Law Report, 1426, page 204 to 205. Permit me, my lord, to tender this document that fits. Objection, my lord. That document is not admissible in court because it is fraught with errors, not duly signed, laced with incongruent claims, incoherent and photocopied. Hence, it should not be tendered nor allowed to grace the space of the hallowed chamber of this honorable tribunal. May it please the court. Objection overruled. Counsel, you may tender the document. Thank you, my lord. admissible and urge my Lord to so as was held in the case of Petitioner, was INEC 2020. May it please the court.
Counsel to the respondent. Any point of law?
My Lord, on the issue of jurisdiction, without wasting the time of this honorable tribunal, we urge my Lord to adopt our arguments as contained in our preliminary objection. We further hold that the facts of the petitioners are conflicting. The relief of the petition are inconsistent with the facts of the petition and the grounds of the petition. To strengthen the hand of my Lord in upholding these arguments and dismissing the petition, we mostly humbly commend the decision of the Supreme Court in Amazu v. Amazu, 1984, cited in Nigeria Weekly Law Report, page 150, where the apex court held that a petition, like the petitioners, in this petition are not allowed to amend their petition, including the relief. As such, doing so robs the tribunal its jurisdiction. My Lord, I hereby tender these documents in evidence to support my claims. Objection, my Lord. That document is inconsequential and should not be admitted in this honorable tribunal. The said document is ready with a plethora of inconsistencies, unfounded allegations, inadequate syntax and semantics, and attired in a faulty logic. It should not be tendered in this temple of justice. May it please the court.
Objection overruled. Counsel, proceed with the document.
Thank you, my Lord.
The document is admitted in court and marked Exhibit B.
As my Lord pleases, whether the petitioners comply substantially with the Electoral Act with reference to your Lordship, we submit that the petitioners comply substantially with the Electoral Act as can be seen in the petitioner's process before this honorable tribunal, that you comply with paragraph 4, sub 5A of the pay schedule to the Electoral Act 2022 as such need no further proof. We submit that the petitioners are entitled to their reliefs and declared winner of the elections herein. May it please the court. My Lord, on whether the petitioners have not felt in their responsibilities to discharge the burden of rule placed on them by the law. My Lord, we humbly submit that the petitioners have failed to furnish the tribunal with valid points to support their case. The law is settled that when a statute clearly provides for a particular act, failure to perform that act on the part of the party will be interpreted as a delinquent conduct. Compare Ngoka v. Adeleke, 2007, and Opera v. Gaba, 2006. May it please the court. My Lord, on whether the petitioners are entitled to the relief sought and declared winner of the election, we submit that the petitioners are entitled to the reliefs and declared winner of the election, having considered the fixed of the ballot votes, the evidence from the witnesses, statistical and corroborative facts in the petition. Then, the judge given the opportunity to say their final word. My Lord, we urge this honorable tribunal to discontinue the argument of the respondent and grant our application to annul the declaration made by the first respondent, INEC, and return the first petitioners as the winner of the election. May it please the court. My Lord, in conclusion, we submit that the petition filed by the petitioners is merely to test water. It lacks substance. We urge this honorable tribunal to uphold the respondent's argument and dismiss the petition in its entirety with substantial cause. May it please the court.
Having gone through the submission of the parties, the court held as follows. A. That the petitioners have failed to prove that the 2024 half of representative election was invalidated by a number of corrupt practices or non-compliance with the Electoral Act 2022. B. That the evidence before this court falls short to the Respondent. C. It is clear from the submission of the petitioners that the petitioners were engaging in wild goose chase and an inconsequential adventure that amounts to an academic exercise. D. The petition of the petitioner is vague, imprecise and generic, with no particulars, such as alleged irregularities that took place. E. An order is hereby granted, restraining the petitioner from parading himself and holding out same as a member of the Federal House of Representatives or purports to carry out the legislative business of the Green Chamber. F. It is further ordered that the honorable member of the Federal House of Representatives be restrained from dealing with the petitioners, from interfacing, accepting any resolution, bills, or and howsoever interacting with the petitioners in their purported capacity as a member of the Federal House of Representatives of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Having considered and decided that the petition of the petitioners is devoid of merit, the petition is hereby dismissed. This is the judgment of this court. God.
Hello everyone. The court session you just witnessed was performed by the students of St. Michael's LearningField Nursery and Primary Academy, Amazu, Orlu, LGA, Imo State. The dramatists Petitioner are...
My name is Akugo Esther. I am in Primary 5. I acted as the judge.
My name is Amazu Mary. I am in Primary 3. I am counsel to the petitioners.
Action.
My name is Okola Marashi Esquire. I am in Primary 4. I am counsel to the respondent.
My name is Chisim Denyon Nacho. I am in Primary 3. I am the policeman.